Hello and welcome to another update video about NEAR. On the NEAR chart, we are still dealing with the same messy structure that we've been dealing with in recent weeks. Price is still sort of working here on this potential A wave to the upside. Okay, that's sort of the perspective here at the moment. A wave, potentially another B wave pullback, and then another C wave rally. We'll see that better on the daily chart. That's the bullish interpretation. A, B, C is the bullish interpretation. Or in a more bearish interpretation, we also have an ABC structure, but it would likely finish here and it will head to new bear market lows afterwards. Now, I'm not going to predict this is going to happen, but I can tell you that after the rally we had, possibly we can get one more high. But then at some point here, that B wave pullback is due at least. Yeah, maybe something more bearish, but I would be in the current market environment unless the overall context changes of the market. I'm going to lean towards the yellow count. The thing is, so that basically just means that this move to the upside is an A wave, which unfolded as a flat structure. The move down would be expected to be a B wave, a corrective pullback, with a C wave to the upside to follow in a third wave rally that, yeah, eventually can take us high. Okay, but I'm not going, this here is probably going to be something like that. And then this ABC will be part of a larger A wave, B, C, in this huge diagonal pattern in which the third wave could reach $113. Now, I encourage you not to view this as, oh dear, he said it's going to 113, I'm going to go all in. No, we have to take it level by level. The quality of this chart is highly questionable, okay? I don't like it at all, but still, I recognize down here that we broke out of the trend line and we also broke the BTC pair chart. Basically, we broke out of a trend line on the BTC pair weeks ago, months ago, and I highlighted that in the videos and also on Discord, Telegram, mentioned to you in an update and a signal that NEAR is outperforming Bitcoin, so pay attention. And that's where we are right now. But that is short term. It doesn't make the long term chart much better. But of course, it can participate in the bull market if certain conditions are met. Anyway, the price has rallied into this larger resistance area. And I highlighted to you in the last video, and that's absolutely unchanged, that we can get one more high in the current structure. But the support for that is $2.51. So that against that level, I would still focus on higher. That's also against the trend line, basically. So it is reasonably likely to watch now for a pullback to the trend line, or at least to $3.17. That's the 38.2 retracement level. Then we've got 282 and 251 as support. And as long as that's holding that support level, one more high in wave 5 could happen. Below 251, I will assume the larger degree B wave pullback is already unfolding. Basically, what we're watching for now is just for signals that the immediate upside scenario here, the immediate uptrend is over, and that we can look for a deeper pullback. But for now, I think one more high in this wide structure before putting a more substantial top in place is reasonable. It would look better with one more high like a wave 5. Looking at the microstructure, if we go to the 4-hour chart, the move down seems to be still unfolding. Yeah, I don't really have enough structure to say what exactly it is, but it seems to be moving in some kind of a corrective price channel there. More or less, yeah, it's not exactly clear. Also, the micro count isn't really. That's generally a problem on the NEAR chart. But still, you know, we can use the Fib levels and so on to track some structures and to understand when certain structures break. So I think all we can do for now is to watch the support levels, watch for a reaction, and the fifth wave could then send us higher, but I cannot really give you another target for the fifth wave other than the resistances we already have on the chart, and they are at $5.08 and $7.09. So it looks to me as if it has a little bit more room to go to the downside, and then we have to pay attention to the support levels and see if we see a reaction there at some point. But for now, one more high would be preferred. That's my update about NEAR. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.